What is the best water flosser? Here are my full reviews of the best water flosser together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price, click product link description. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Aquarius water flosser. With an average 4.7-star rating across nearly 22,000 reviews, Waterpik's Aquarius has earned its spot as the #1 best-selling water flosser on Amazon. After every use, my mouth feels like it was cleaned by a dental hygienist, raves one reviewer. Its large reservoir holds up to 22 ounces of water, or mouthwash. Key features, which should equate to about 90 seconds of flossing time, about 3 times more than most wet flossers. There's even a separate mode that pulses water to massage your gums. It comes with 7 tips that serve different purposes, 3 classic, 1 for plaque, 1 for braces. Cordless water flosser. This one isn't approved by the ADA, but if that's not a deal breaker for you, then definitely consider Panasonic's water flosser. The battery-operated model, it uses AA batteries, is ideal for travel thanks to its cordless and collapsible design. Key features. Reviewers say that even though it's super portable and great for a gym bag or the office, you might prefer a water flosser with more pressure settings for regular use at home. Sonicare Airfloss Ultra. Instead of releasing a constant stream, this water flosser delivers a series of short bursts. Dr. Harwood says he likes this one because of its unique technology that combines air and water to clean between teeth. You can choose between 1, 2 or 3 bursts of water at a time, which makes the process of water flossing much less messy. Key features. The Airfloss Ultra is a cordless and rechargeable water flosser with a slim, easy-to-hold handle. Depending on the setting you use, the battery can last anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks on a single charge. Sonic Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Toothbrush. The Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 combines teeth brushing and water flossing all in one. It can switch between 3 different modes: brush, floss and brush/floss. So it's easy to remember to floss every time you brush your teeth. The 16-ounce water, or mouthwash, reservoir is equivalent to about 60 seconds of flossing time. It also comes with a convenient travel case that makes it easy to bring on the go. Key features. In a mini consumer study conducted by the Good Housekeeping Institute, testers said the Sonic Fusion helped them remove food from hard-to-reach places. This iteration is the smallest and smartest electric toothbrush water flosser combo I've tried, one tester noted. Cordless water flosser. At just $35, Waterpik's cordless model is significantly cheaper than many other water flossers. For that reason, it's an affordable option for anyone who is hesitant about trying a normal Irrigator. Key features. Even though it only has 2 settings, the switch makes it easy to change the water pressure. It uses 3 AA batteries, so you don't have to worry about misplacing a charger. The reservoir holds 5 ounces of water, equivalent to 30 seconds of use. And it has a removable tank too, so it's super easy to clean. Just throw it in the dishwasher on the top rack.